18-inch off-road LED light bar with integrated amber LED strobe light head, black painted aluminum housing with internal strobing module, integral heatsink, and polycarbonate lens. 90-watt 18-inch off-road LED light bar with 6 10-watt high-powered Cree LEDs. IP67 waterproof light includes adjustable stainless steel mounting bracket with studs. Wireless remote control switch with key fob for wireless harness. Wireless remote control system for 12 VDC LED products. Control your LED light strip, off-road LED light bar, or LED work light wirelessly with just a touch of a button. Features 11 flashing modes, 100 feet remote signal range, for use with our wiring harness. Button A, on, off. Button B, mode adjust forward. Button C, mode adjust backward. Button D, SOS mode. SuperBrightLEDs.com, LED lighting for everything.